Hello my family members. Some of you have requested me to upload second video on common application and MS Office for Accenture Cognitive Assessment 2024. So I could not ignore your request. Today we will go through some previous year questions on common application and MS Office. Before starting the question, I will request you to watch the first video on this topic after this video, okay? Link is given in the description box. So kindly watch that and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's go to the questions. What is gutter margin? Margin that is added to right margin when printing, or margin that is added to the left margin when printing, or the margin that is added to the outside of the page when printing, or the margin that is added to the binding side of page when printing. Can you answer that? Okay, I am answering it. The answer is margin that is added to the binding side of the page when printing. Right. Okay, go to the next question. Can we edit a macro programmatically after recording it? Yes or no? Or you don't know or might be? Answer will be yes. Because in the macro dialog box, if you click on the name of your macro, at the right of the dialog box, you can click edit, right? So that means you can edit, right? And next question is, what is a portion of a document in which you set certain page formatting options? Page setup, section, page, or document? Can you answer this? This is very simple, I think. Most of the candidates answer this as page setup, but this is not the answer. The answer will be section, right? You can open your Word or document, you can watch it in layout section, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. It is possible to trace a data source before performing a merge, modify, sort, create, or all of the above. It is very simple, so I think you all have answered in your own, right? So the answer will be all of the above. What is default font used in MS Word documents? Calibri, Arial, Algerian, or none of the above? If you can't answer this, then guys, please do a basic course on computer in which you will be taught about basic MS Word, basic MS Excel, right? Because this is very simple. If you have ever used MS Word, then you have obviously observed that, right? So I am not answering this. And if you know, then kindly answer that in the comment box, right? Which menu or group will use if we want to change the typeface of selected text? Edit, view, format, or tools? The answer will be format. Why? Format menu is used to change typeface of a document, right? Typeface refers to a group of characters, letters, and numbers that share the same design, right? For example, Arial is a typeface and 16pt Arial bold is a font, right? So go to the next question, that is how to use format painter multiple times. By click on lock format painter icon, or by format painter cannot be used multiple times, or by double click on the format painter icon, or none of the above. And I think you have answer of these questions. The answer will be by double click on the format painter icon, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. What is computer virus? Hardware, software, bacteria, or USB? You may think that computer virus means USB, right? But this is not. The computer virus means software. Actually, a computer virus is a type of computer program that is, when executed, it replicates itself by modifying other computer programs, right? And inserting its own code, right? So this is actually the computer virus, the software. Okay, let's go to the next question. Main memory is commonly known as ROM, RAM, HDD, that means hard disk, or SSD. I will not answer this question because this is very, very easy. So answer yourself and give me the answer in the comment box. Whoever will give me the first comment and right comment, I will pin your comment, right? So be first and fast. Okay, let's go to the next question. What is writing? Process of copying data from memory location or process of fetching data from input device or process of putting data into a memory location or none of the above? The answer will be process of putting data into a memory location, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. Which of the following is the output device? Microphone, keyboard, monitor, or all of the above? This is very basic question, and I think you have a little knowledge about that, right? The answer will be monitor, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. The motherboard consists of RAM, ROM, CPU, or all of the above? Answer will be all of the above, right? Because in motherboard everything consists. And I am giving a quiz for you, and this is very easy. So answer this. Which of the following is not a type of random access memory? DRAM, SRAM, or PROM? None of the above. I think you have guessed already, so I will not answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. What connects various components within the computer? Register, flip-flop, none of the above, or system bus? Actually, guys, the name bus refers to that which connect all thing, certain things, right? So this is actually bus. So the system bus which connects it, the name itself refers the answer, right? So the system bus is the answer. And a web browser deals with what? Internet, web surfing, or HTML, or all of the above? Answer will be all of the above, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. Which generation of computers was based on integrated circuits? First generation, second generation, third generation, or fourth generation? 30-40% of the students will answer that second generation, but the answer will be third generation, because the period of third generation was from 1965 to 1971, right? The computers of third generation used integrated circuits in place of transistors, right? A component of a circuit that allows current to pass in one direction yet block the flow of current in the other direction. Flip-flop, comparator, attenuator, or diode? Whoever are you from electronics will obviously answer this question, right? The answer will be diode. Okay, let's go to the next question. Who is Seymour Cray? Father of computer, inventor of memory devices, or inventor of supercomputer, or inventor of abacus? What? The answer will be inventor of supercomputer, right? Guys, this was asked in Accenture of Campus 2022, right? So, and not only this, but few of them also asked in 2022 and combination of 2023 and 2021. And I will request you, if you have not watched the previous one, kindly watch that, then come to watch this one, right? If you think I should upload more videos on common application and MS Office, then kindly sub request in comment box, right? I will obviously upload. Okay, let's go to the next question. It holds frequently requested data and instructions so that they are immediately available to the CPU when needed, right? It is register, it is RAM, it is bus, or it's cache. The answer will be cache, right? Cache memory is an extremely fast memory type that acts as a buffer between RAM and the CPU, right? So it holds the frequently requested data and instructions so that they are immediately available to the CPU when needed, right? So it should not be deleted, right? And the last question again for you, answer this. What allows a computer to store data electronically? ROM, cache, bus, or RAM? So the questions is for you. Answer this question in comment box so that I can aware of your proficiency of common application and MS Office, right? So I think you have been benefited from this video. If so, kindly subscribe this channel. And if you are willing to prepare more and more for Accenture off campus and on campus drive 2023-24, then kindly watch the playlist I have been making on previous year questions and answers and cognitive assessment preparation. The link will be available in the description box. Kindly go through that, and until the next video, bye bye.